Hello and welcome to the Agile Project Management series with Jira. In today's video, I am going to show how to create a dashboard and how we can use the dashboard to show transparency and dependency. Then I will show you how to create a filter and how to use those filters to track dependencies using the dashboard. So let us first understand what a dashboard is. A dashboard is a visual representation of a performance, such as charts and graphs. It helps to identify trends, monitor the project performance, create reports, and set estimates and targets for future work. It is an easy way to measure efficiency. It also allows us to generate details or reports in a single click. In this video, we will see that how we can create a dashboard in Jira, as Jira allows us to create and configure a dashboard for each project. So head over to Jira and create a dashboard for our project. Go to dashboard, click on create dashboard. A new window will pop up. In the name field, give a name to your project dashboard. In my case, I am giving it the name Project Web App Dashboard. In the description box, you can give brief information about project. For the viewers section, we have a project, group, my organization and private options to select. Out of these options, you can either select project, group, my organization, or you can keep this dashboard private. To share this dashboard with everyone in the organization, you need to select My Organization from the drop-down that allows any logged in user of the organization to access this board. And if you want to keep it to yourself, then select Private. For this dashboard, I am going to make it public so everyone in the organization can see this dashboard. Then make sure to click Add and provide access to everyone. Next, we have the editor section. Here, we also have four options, that is project, group, user and private. The project option is to give access to the specific project team members. The group section is for the specific group of the organization, where you can give edit access to the team members working on this project, people from any other group, members of the management, or any other stakeholders who are related with this project. Or you can keep the edit access to yourself and make it private. After adding editors and viewers, I am clicking on the save button. Now you can see our dashboard is ready. As a next step, we need to add some gadgets to it. So to add a gadget, simply navigate to the top and click add gadget button. You will see lot of gadgets here. Now you need to select a gadget and prepare your dashboard. If you are not sure where to look, then simply type sprint in the search box. You will see some sprint related to gadgets. Those are days remaining sprint gadgets, sprint burndown gadget, and sprint health gadgets. These gadgets are especially for a Scrum team. Now I will go ahead and add these gadgets one by one by clicking on this add button. If you look, we have three gadgets in our dashboard. Let me first close the gadget bar and see the full dashboard. Then I'm going to move days remaining gadgets to the top of the page. In it, I will select the board name from the drop down. You know our project is PW, thus I am selecting the PW board from here. I also want to show the board name and sprint. So let me select these checkboxes. And in the sprint, I am going to let it next sprint due auto. Actually, this is a dynamic value. That means whenever the active sprint changes in the project, this dashboard will change automatically. And then I want this gadget to update in every 15 minutes. Once I save it, this gadget will show the remaining days of the current sprint. Next gadget is sprint health gadget. In this gadget, make sure we select the same board. I also want to show board name and sprint name here as well. If you want to show assignees, you can select this also. Then make sure it refreshes in every 15 minutes. So I am selecting it and clicking save. It is very helpful gadget that shows a lot of information about the current sprint like story point, estimate, percentage of work done, percentage of scope changes and flagged items. Our next gadget is sprint burndown. In a sprint, there are two types of charts. The first one is burn down chart and second is burn up chart. The burn down chart shows the remaining amount of work or remaining efforts on the project. In the burn down chart, the line goes from top to bottom as the team makes progress. And the second chart is burn up chart. Basically, the burn up chart shows how much work has been completed and the total scope of the project. And if I talk about the pattern of the burn up chart, it goes from bottom to upwards. So now go ahead and add the burn down gadget. Here I will select the same board, same sprint and I want to refresh this chart in every 15 minutes. Once you save, you will see the sprint burn down chart. There is a one more option to change the layout of the dashboard. It has a couple of different options to resize the columns of the dashboard. From here, you can select a 2 column layout or 3 column layout. I am going to select this one. It looks nice. You can select any of these as per your choice. The dashboard looks good now, but what if I want to show some more charts as per the organization requirement which are not available in the default gadgets? For that, we will have to create some filters. So now, with the help of JQuery, we can find list of issues. Basically, JQuery stands for Jira Query Language. JQuery is the most powerful and flexible way to search for issues in Jira. With the help of JQuery, we can find list of open issues, closed issues, and future issues. So let's go ahead and create a filter in order to make more gadgets on the Jira dashboard. To create a filter, we need to click on filters and then select the advanced issue search. Here, I will click on switch to JQuery because we will make search with the help of JQuery. Now, in the JQuery search box, I am writing a query to search issue of the open sprint of the project. So our query is going to be project equals to project name. Here the project name will auto populated in the drop down box. Then I want open sprint. So let me write end sprint in open sprint. You can also get this from the auto suggestion of the drop down. The drop down suggestions are closed sprint, future sprint, and open sprint. Mainly, the closed sprint is for the sprint, those are not open or already closed. Future sprint is for the upcoming sprint, and open sprint is for current or active sprint. Then click search, you will get the list of the open work items of this active sprint. Now, save this filter by clicking Save As. You can give any name to this filter. I am giving it PW Active Sprint and submit. The next important point is to give access to anybody who is viewing the dashboard so they people can also view this filter. For that, click on details, edit permission, then from the viewers drop down, select my organization and click add. It will allow any logged in user of your organization to see this filter. Now let's go back to the dashboard and use this filter in Gadget. Now we are back in the newly created dashboard. This dashboard is showing 3 sprint specific gadgets. Now we are going to some more gadgets to show some additional information. So I will add a pie chart. For that, search pie chart from the gadget bar and click add. In this gadget, we will use filter that we just created with jQuery. And the important point to remember is that this pie chart can only work either on a filter or a project because it is mandatory during pie chart creation. So we are going to use our new filter because we only want to look at the issue of the project that is in the filter PW active sprint. Then the statistics type will be assigning and I want to update it in every 15 minutes, then click save. You will see a nice pie chart which shows the sprint by assigning. Now let me create one more gadget here. This time I want to use a two-dimensional filter to show the statistics. So I'm adding this gadget to the dashboard. Here select the same filter, that is PW Active Sprint. For x-axis I want to select status, and for y-axis I'm going to leave it as an assignee. Then click to update in 15 minutes and save this filter. Now let us see what this filter does. This filters actually break down the assignee and the status of their respective issues. Now, if people want to see some more details with respect to assignee task and status, so for that we can add one more filter here. So let me select filter results gadget from the gadget bar. This gadget will list out all the issues in the provided filter. So I am providing the same filter PW Active Sprint here, and I want to see 10 results on one page. Then we have the option to change column in the display. So I would like to use story points in this column. Then select update it in every 15 minutes and click save. You will see it is showing all the issues along with their story points. With this gadget, your dashboard is ready, but you can also prepare your own dashboard by adding some more gadgets if you want. Now let's summarize this video. Today in the dashboard, we added the 6 gadget in which the first one is showing the remaining days in the sprint. The second is a sprint burndown chart which shows the team's progress and the delivered sprint points. Then we have a pie chart with issues and assignees which can help to manage the workload of the team. Next is the sprint health gadget. This gadget is showing the overall sprint progress, story point estimates, percentage of completed work, scope of change, and the flagged items. And finally, we have two more filters with the open work items and their respective assignees. So with this, we can create a powerful dashboard for our team in Jira tool. That's all from this video. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button to never miss an upcoming videos. You can also see the other videos related to the project management with Jira. The link is given into the description. Till then, thanks for listening. Have a nice day.